Would you look at this, everyone? M series. Oh, that's a real nice button. And disable button. There's no difference to the colour of it, though.
Side effect of the drug could be, you know.
So let's ground. So let's go. There's a nice collet. And what happened to it? Oh dear, now it's Everbright on the inside. Well, shoot. Yeah. Who thought this was a great idea? Hell no, at least this was M series logic. Woohoo. So, let us get off at floor 16. Wait, no. Yeah, I know it's on floor 16. Oh, it looks like it's floor 16. Yeah, so it's M series logic. So now it's KONE. Now it's been this. Yeah, I think the interior has been replaced as well. Yeah, it still has M series logic though. Woohoo! So that's actually really nice, and it's also got two main floors, ground floor and floor 3, because they open out onto terrace. So they don't even care floor 3. Welcome to ground, which is a nice place where you get your nice 908 kilograms or 13 persons. Oh yeah, oh that's nice. That's nice. That's actually pretty nice. Yeah, there's no doors. That's it.